What?
I can't hold it. Can't do it.
Can you?
Look. I'm not malamig.
You're not malamig? Good morning, everybody. Si Inday ninyo nandyan, oh. Koala? Hala, how to spell koala daw. Sige, mami niya, bugok. Kamusta kayo? Kagigising lang ni Inday. Ayan, happy-happy na tayo today. I-try natin yung ating best na hindi na tayo mag-negative sometimes. Kasi sometimes talaga, once we're negative, hindi ko talaga mapigilan yung pagka-negative ko. So, happy yung celebration ni Inday Jenny kahit sobrang simple lang yung kanyang celebration sa kanyang birthday. Pero happy naman, okay lang. Ganyan talaga sila dito mag-celebrate. Hindi pa hindi bongga ba, hindi kagaya sa ating Pilipinas na madami tayong handa. Ay, patay. Naputol. Wala na. Tapos ito, may cake pa si Inday Jenny na natira. Ang sarap kaya nitong cake niya, pero hindi ako nagkain ng masyado dahil alam nyo naman baka lalaki sobra yung aking bata sa tiyan. So ngayon, mag-prepare ako ng umagahan ni Inday Jessica at hala, nak, where's your bag? Ay. In the car? Teka, kukunin ko dahil itong bag ni Inday. Last Friday pa ito nandito sa sasakyan. Ha? Yeah? Akala ko yung car ni Wayne, yung ano ba? Itong akin yung dinala niya. Eh, katugnaw. Eh, ang lamig. Teka, check ko lang dito. Baka nandito yung... Hindi niya ata kinuha last time. Umuulan na naman. Ayan na nga, yung bag niya, oh. Si Inday talaga. Grabe, ang lamig. Teka, ilak ko lang to. Again, anak. Where are you? Asan si JJ? JJ? Where are you? Here? Wala pala siya dito sa living room. Wala. Tulog pa si Inday Jenny. Ang aming TV, nalinisan na namin yan. Wala na siyang ganun ba, mga scratch. Oy! Oy! Who's awake? Mata na si Inday Jenny. And then si JJ, oh. Hello! What do you want for your breakfast lang? Oh, you don't know? Mag-isda na naman kami. Ito yung aking lulutuin sa kanilang breakfast. My kids eating cucumber. Grabe sila, Inday, bye. Sasaka muna ako dito kay habang nag-prepare ako ay nagluto ako dun sa baba. I-prepare ko lang yung uniform ni Inday Jessica. Yummy? Jenny? Lami? Kuy, bad talaga yung habit ninyo ba na palaging nag-iPad? Ha? Okay? Dito ako magkuha ng uniform sa messy room. Kailangan pa namin i-arrange ito dito. Dahil dito na kami ni baby soon. Dito na kami, separate na kami ng room. Pero kailangan nga namin itong ilagay dun sa attic. Nagtingin kami dun sa attic. Sobrang empty pala dun sa Sabi ko kay Wayne, maghanap siya ng ladder para dito. Pag nakahanap siya ng ladder, ladder? Oy, hagdanan ba ko? Diyan, mayroon kaming attic dyan yung square. Sobrang laki ng space. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, i-transfer namin dyan. Napagod man itong isda nilang Inday. Oy, ayan, oh. Napagod. Pero okay lang kasi meron din akong... Aray ko. Ayan. May pasabaw din ako sa kanila. Yung ulo, hinati ko. Nilagay ko doon para mahimong sabawan. So, kakain na kami. Kakauwi lang namin ni Inday. Nandun si Inday, oh. Nagubad na ng jacket. Ako'y mag-close ako mag-open ako. Nito, oh. Kay nanimahog gid ang aming bahay ng isda. Yes? You're cold? Go upstairs lang ka. What? Juice?
No,
Close.
no, the door.
Yeah, just wait a little bit because it's
Cat!
Where?
There.
There's a cat? Did you see cat? Aray ko, ang lamig. Mag-open lang ako nitong bintana. Like, mabaho lagi ang aming bahay ng isda. Maaga, di ba ako nagprito ng isda? Si Inday. Hello lang. Jacket ka? Jacket, di pa jacket ko siya. Kaya sabi ko, mag-open muna kami ng door. Mabaho gid ang aming bahay ba. Muraman tagbalot ani ating kuan oy. Ayan na ganito ako kay malamig. Magkuha lang ako nitong aming beddings ni Wayne. Lalaban ko ito. Dahil meron tayong sunlight. And hopefully, maano siya ba, mauga. Ito, laban ko to lahat. Dahil alam nyo, aray ko, nag-iisang ano lang to, maingkod ko kay, ang bigat na ng aking tiyan. Teka lang. Para happy si Wayne. Dahil kahapon, sobrang happy niya. Ang ginawa ko, naglinis ako ng bahay, pero, ano ba, yung kusina namin, nilinisan ko lahat. At if possible, wala nang magdapon o gani na mga hugasin. So, sobrang happy niya. Sabi niya, gustong-gusto niya daw pag ganun yung kitchen. Sabi niya, it's nice to go in a kitchen pag ganun daw. Tawang-tawa ako. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, honey, why the kitchen is so clean and the house today? Nawinastusan niya ako. Sabi niya, dahil you have this one, sabi niya sa akin. Dahil naglabing-labing daw kami. Buwaman si Wayne, oy. Labing-labing. Aray ko. So, ilagay ko lang ito dito. Tapos ito kunin ko. Madali lang naman ito siyang mag-uga, oy. Pag nandito si Wayne, hindi niya gustong open yung bintana. Gusto niya close. Pero pag ako lang dito, gusto ko open. Magubad na ako nito. I hope you have a nice day today. Ang inyong Inday, magta-try ako mag-positive. Ang ginagawa ko, natitingin ako ng mga positive, mga motivational messages doon sa YouTube. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Tapos, if possible, ayaw ko na makipag-usap sa mga negative na mga tao. Yun! Oh, maglikay na ako sa mga... maglikay, ano na ako, anong tawag ng likay sa Tagalog, oy? Mag-iwas ako sa mga taong mga negative dahil dun din tayo makakakuha ng mga negative energy ba. So, if possible, let's choose kung sino yung ating kakausapin. Ganun yung ating gawin. Tapos yung mga mababasa natin na mga masasakit, wag na nating basahin. If possible, wag na. Kasi ako, hindi na ako nagpupunta sa mga negative na mga agay. Sa comment section dahil ayaw ko makabasa ng negative at madagdagan pa itong aking problema, diba? Instead na ma-okay ako, madagdagan pa kay daghan man kaayog mga kuan piling perfect. Daghag tao mag-ano sa'yo, magpuna sa'yo, instead na magiging okay ako na madagdagan pa. So, much better, hindi na ako magpunta sa comment section na. So, pagpasensyaan nyo sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment na maganda dyan sa baba, hindi ko kayo ma-replyan dahil alam nyo na yung Inday ninyo, I'm focusing sa positive side para hindi na ako ma-depress sometimes. Kasi sometimes meron talaga 2 days ako nag-struggle, no? Ako lang din yung nag-struggle nun. Pero, ay, thankfully, tinulungan ako ni Wayne to kanang siya gani mag-motivate sa akin at si mama, aking family. So, hopefully, hindi na maulit yun. Hindi naman tayo perfect. Sometimes we have down. Meron talaga tayong ganyan na down tayo sometimes, lalo na pag meron tayong problema. Pero, ako itatry ko yung aking best para lang naman din sa mga bata na happy sila ba. So, ngayon, maglalaban din yung Inday dito para mabango yung aming bed ni Wayne mamaya. Masaya siya pag uwi. Para masaya. Sabi ko nga kay mama, as long as na happy lang kami, happy ng mga bata, ganun yung sinabi ko, happy lang kami, happy kami ni Wayne, hindi kami nag-aaway. Yun yung importante. Merong away talaga sa couple sometimes kasi hindi naman perfecto yung ating married life. Pero, pag naiiwasan naman, okay lang. Dahil, mas ano pa. Diba, nag-away kami. Pag-away namin, halaka. Nagsabi-sabi siya na mag-alis daw siya. Pero, hoy, akala ko alis talaga siya. Hindi, nag-comfort siya sa akin. Sabi niya, mami, ganun-ganun pa siya, mami. Wag nang magalit-galit. Huwag nang magkuan-kuan. Dapat happy lang tayo. Sabi niya. Because we long for this family for so long time. Pinangarap namin ito na family ba ni Wayne. Magti 10 years na next year kami ni Wayne. So, anong point na mag-stress tayo, mag-depress tayo sa wala namang dahilan. Uy, wala talagang dahilan. Ako lang yung gumagawa ng dahilan at ako lang yung gumagawa ng stress sa aking buhay. Dahil si Wayne dito, dati, ano yan si Wayne dati, sobrang ma-stress yan siya dati. Ngayon, parang nag-opposite na kami. Parang ako nang palaging mas-stress. Pero sabi niya, mahilig si Wayne mag-comfort sa akin. Ay! Unsa to nak? Pero pag siya yung na-depress, bitaw, kahinayaan ko lang siya. So, maglaban na tayo. Ina yan. Lilinis na ako dito. Hugasan ko lang itong mga ganito para hindi masyado. Ito, kinuskus ko tayo. Kinuskus ko yan kahapon. Mabuti na dito na lang ako mag-focus. Uy, may nabasa pala akong nagtanong sa akin na marami daw siyang nakikita ng Pilipina na marami daw friends. Ako lang daw parang hindi niya nakikita. Wala daw akong friend na mini-meet up. The reason why ayaw ko makipag-friend dito sa UK dahil ayaw ko na i-control ako. Oh, I like friends that doesn't control me. Kaya doon sa Thailand, I experience a lot of control. Tapos, nung nabuntis na ako kay Jessica, naglaylo na ako ba sa mga friend. Mas gusto ko, ako lang. Mabubuhay naman ako pag wala akong friend. Lalo na pag ng mga friend na very controlling. Tapos, kung ano-ano lang bitaw yung sinasabi. Na, pagpuyo, oy! Mas may pag-boyfriend. Pagpuyo mo. Okay? Nag-prepare ako ng aming lunch, sausawan at ito, yung cucumber na merong maasim-asim na matamis-tamis. Here you go, Jennifer. Ali kay malamig, nak, malamig, Jenny.
I'm not malamig.
You're not malamig?
Why is it windy?
Ali na. Grabe ang lamig, as in. Oh, naka-gloves na inyong inday. Kaya hindi na gyud kaya ang sa kamay. What?
I can't. Hold it.
You don't wanna go in? It's so cold.
No.
Si Inday, nagara ang kanyang buhok. Naglaro daw siya o para siyang sinabunutan. Sus! Tingin-tingin pas kanyang mga classmates.
Take my zip.
What? You want to zip it on? Yeah? Zip it on? It's so cold, Lalong.
I can do it.
Can you?
Look.
You see? Wow, good job.
Can I do it up to it?
Good job. What game?
Did she delete one of my pets?
No, she didn't.
What pet was it? Do I still have my
I think she was just watching.
Do I still have my pet?
She's sleeping. See? Oh.
Hello.
Oh no, it's so dirty lagi this one. Is that your hands?
No.
Natulog si Inday Jenny.
I draw every time it's raining.
Did you? Dito yung aking best friend.
Who's your best friend?
You.
No.
You're not my best friend.
That's true.
Huh?
That's not true.
Why? You don't like me to be your best friend? Asa na yun? Wala na. You don't like me to be your best friend? Yes. Hi, JJ. You don't like mommy be your best friend?
No.
Why?
You're a mother.
I'm a mother. I'm not your mother. I'm your sister.
No! And my sisters can't be friends with you.
Yeah. I'm your best friend sister.
No.
Ayaw niya
Your
pumayag.
sisters can't be
You don't want me to be your best friend?
No, we sisters can't be best friends.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hindi na lang kami mag-best friend ni Inday. Kuha na lang kami sa niya itong... Bro, na ko buangan niya akong kalot. No, I'm mommy look crazy with my hat.
Because the top bit has like a triangle.
Is it? You didn't tell me a while ago. Sabi niya akong kalot. Uy, parang day akong buang nito.
Your hat is too tall.
Is it too tall?
Is it?
Agoy, careful diha. Alam nyo ba, butas na na yung kanyang... Uy, careful. See this one, oh, there's lots of water. Your shoes will be wet. Go there, anak. In the other side. Ay ka, ipatabok ko muna ito si Inday. Oy, wait for mommy. Be careful lagi ba. Mahulog bitaw diha. Sige, mag-ambak-ambak mura, magpato. Don't worry bitaw. Ay ka, antayin ko lang natin itong mga bata. Okay. Okay, we're crossing now. Nagdala-dala yung tawon kami ng prom dito sa CR. Okay, kawawa naman itong isa, biyaan namin doon sa labas. Natulog kasi. Tulog na tulog. Yes? What happened to your neck? Somebody scratched you?
Baby wipes and the nappy bags are available for our customer service desk. Should you require them with list in store?
Good job. You can read that one now. Yung mo naman kagwak-wakan na imong buhok.
What color is my eyes?
What happened to your neck? Oh, it's red. Who done that? Somebody scratched you?
No.
Why is red? What do you like? Do you like the blueberry?
I want two.
Two?
I'll get two for
Two.
£3.
Okay.
Two for £3.
Alright.
So that's why I get two.
Alright. What else do you want? Shall we have a look here? Gusto nila ito mangga.
Mommy, but how much is it? Oh,
That's-
£3.
Yes, 3 pounds. Pomegranate. Ganito nakalaki ang aming baby. Ganyan.
I heard that.
What? Sweeties?
Yeah.
No, she's alright. She'll be hyper if she will eat one.
No, she won't.
May namit akong Thai lady from Thailand. Sobrang bait.
She's from the same country as me.
Yeah, she lived in Thailand, but she moved here in UK. But
Where? No, Newport.
she's Thai. She's not Filipino like mommy. Pero ang bait niya, as in para kaming may connection na kaming dalawa.
What capital is she in?
I don't know. I didn't ask.
Well,
Sorry.
Is there only one capital?
Yeah.
Oh, so the capital. She's from Bangkok.
Maybe she is from Bangkok, but I didn't ask.
No, Bangkok is the only capital. So
Yeah.
she's from Bangkok.
She's from Thailand, but there's a lot of place in Thailand. There's only not Bangkok. There's more. Wait there, I'll get this one for Jenny. Magkuha po na tayo ng fish finger. Yes, there's a lot of malls there.
Did she ever went to the mall?
Yes.
Yeah, everybody goes to a mall if they find the mall.
Yeah?
Of course they will.
And
Whoa. Can some...
so that daddy will have some dinner. Because I will cook this one today.
How am I gonna do
See that one, naka-sale kasi siya, half price. Okay, it's full now. Our basket long.
Okay, then don't buy anything else.
Okay. Come here.
This,
Okay, scan.
hey. You scan this. Where is
Hindi
it?
ko kay hinawakan naman.
Oh.
Okay, yours. The big one. Good job. We need to put that one. So how much is that one? 189. Give me your apples lang.
No, so
Give me your free apple.
so
Put it in here.
so all of it all together,
Yeah.
is 32
32.80.
32.80.
Yes, good
80
job.
pound. 32.80 pound.
No, 32.
0.80 pound. No, actually, yes. Actually, you don't need a pound because it doesn't have this sign. It
Yeah.
doesn't have like. What's this sign? What's that?
What sign?
called? Like.
We have to pay now.
You need to pay with your. Wait, you got your card in your phone?
Yes.
But what happens if you don't have a card and you don't have your phone?
You don't have nothing.
And then you can't buy all of your stuff.
Yeah. Can you help mommy pack this one? Yung kanyang mga scan.
You should never forget your phone and your wallet.
Yeah. If mommy's phone is lost, it's dangerous. Is it? Sige, help mommy here. Give me the hard one. Kumakanta pa man itong isa natin. Ay, give me the hard one lang.
Huh?
Hard. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah? More? Hard one. This one. So that one will be squeezed.
Okay.
Drinks. And this one?
No, that's not hard. Okay, and this.
Yeah?
Oh no, there's not enough space.
No?
I don't think.
Does it fit? Yeah, that's okay. Puno ang bag ni Inday JJ.
Oh no.
Uuwi na kami. Si Inday nagkakain ng pasti dito sa loob. Ayan siya oh. Ala. Sobrang saya niya. Ang kuan ba? Ang happiness ng bata sobrang liit. Makakain lang hala. Tapos nag-ano pa siya sa akin, nagtulong-tulong siya. Tumba naman noon. Malayo pa kami sa bahay. Mag-gloves lang ako kay hindi ko kaya ito oh. Ayan. Tulak ko more inyong Inday. Hindi na kami nagpasundo kay Wayne. Kay wala pa yun. Nandun pa yun sa kanyang trabaho ba. So ako na lang ito mga bata. I hope hindi ito masira yung atop ng aming pram. Yes?
I still have little.
Eat it. Gabi na lo. Yes?
Do you want me to pick you up?
We're near now in the bridge.
Do you want me to pick you up then? Oh, okay. See you later.
May bata nang hingi. Pasti? Pasti? Ha? Here. Kumain ng pasti. Oy! Nako, umaatras. Ano na kay It's Cold? Nagabihan na kami. Gabihan na kami dito sa daanan. Pero happy pa rin si Inday. Put your zip up. It's cold, Nak. Go back. That alright?
Let it go! Can I hold it back?
Ikaw lang yung super happy. Super happy ni Inday. I think it's raining now. Look at the clouds, oh. Grabe yung clouds.
It's coming!
The storm is coming. It's so cold in front of this one, river.
If we go, of course, there's nowhere to go, Mommy.
Yes?
So in Philippines right now, is it super sunny?
Yeah, it's warm in Philippines.
Oh no! Will our eyes drip?
Yeah.
because all of the hotness.
Yes.
So
Is it? In-enjoy lang namin ni Inday yung moment ng paglalakad.
I'm happy sometimes.
Yes, you should be happy all the time.
Jenny's not happy all the time.
She is happy.
She's not all of the
There, eh? Daddy there? Can you see?
No.
There, walking.
Daddy! It's Daddy! It's Daddy!
Is that Daddy?
I think it's Daddy. Yeah.
Kilala na talaga yung daddy niya, no? Kahit malayo pa. Is that your daddy? Careful, there's bike. Hala, wala na. Tumakbo na. In the other side. Sobrang excited niya. Kita yung kanyang daddy. Paano, mag-hug na yan sa kanyang daddy. Ito, ang layo na. Kinarga. Sabi today. Why are you happy today?
Because I don't know. Because I uploaded something onto Seesaw by myself.
Is it?
And you gave me pasty.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't have a reason.
Jenny. Jenny's enjoying. Get down? Uy!
She's in a good mood, isn't she?
Yeah.
More than that, please.
She's happy today.
Mommy, can I open it?
Careful! Tapos na. Tapos na ako mag-ano. Ito yung lulutuin ko. Pagpasensyaan nyo yung aming tray. Medyo ano na to siya, old tray. Kailangan namin mamili ng bago. Fish o kuan. Fish and chips. Hapunan ni Wayne. So, yan yung lulutuin. Ang chips dyan ko lang. I-air fry ko lang yung chips. Nag-ano na ako. Naka-arrange na ako. Sa akin, meron naman akong sinabawan. So, wala. Ang dami na nalagay ko. Ayan, yung kanyang chips. Uy, sira yung fridge. Where's your... That's not pancit canton. What is it, Hane?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. Oh.
Me like fish chips. Yeah, but it costs a lot. You give me 3 fish. You sure you don't want one of these?
No. No. Do you like garlic bread?
This is the Google Pixel 9.
Lami. Kain tayo. Good morning. Manghilamos muna tayo. Ang aga-aga pa. So, ang aga nagising ng mga bata. Kahapon, yung aking gamit, ang silka. Ayan. So, kahapon, to the rescue yung ating mister, no? To the rescue siya sa amin ng mga bata. Agad-agad siyang ang tawag ito? Agad-agad niya kaming sinundo dahil nagtaka siya. Pagdating niya dito sa bahay, nagtaka siya, wala mang tao. So, nagpunta siya doon. Nagpunta siya doon sa bird para sunduin kami. At saka, ngayon, sobrang aga ng mga bata nagising. Maaga din kami nito mag-prepare ng mga bata dahil maaga man sila nagising. Kahapon kasi, maaga ko pinatulog si Inday Jessica, kaya maagang-aga yan siya nagising. Magkuha ako dito ng kanyang uniform.
Jenny keeps
Ayan na siya, oh. Hoy!
keeps dropping it.
Morning!
Jenny keeps dropping it.
The what?
Have powers.
Powers?
I don't have powers. Jenny was pranking me.
Uy! JJ pranking you?
No, I didn't say.
Agay! Saan naman? Hala, Daddy didn't wear this one. Hindi niya sinuot yung jacket niya. Nakalimutan niya ata to ba? Ang lamig pa naman.
It's cold outside.
Super cold outside lang. Si Wayne is, binilhan ko siya ng snacks. Tapos nilagyan ko ng...
Wait, Mommy, did Daddy take his pasty?
Yes. Gilagay ko sa lalagyan ba. Tapos merong muffin, merong pasty, at merong energy drink. Tapos sinulatan ko. Ito yung ginawa ko. So, sobrang happy niya.
Yeah, the pasty's up there.
No, Mommy put it already. This one, nak. I put it here. Ayan yung sinulat ko.
What's that?
For you. Can you read?
For you, honey. Why?
Because I put the pasty there and the muffins. And the daddy's drink. You remember the one by...
So you put them on here and then Daddy will see it.
Yeah.
And then Daddy take it because it says you can have it.
Yeah. For you, honey. Remember what we bought yesterday?
Yeah, the pasty and Daddy's drink. I remember.
Yeah. Siya yung nag-utos sa akin and ayun daw yung gusto ng kanyang daddy inuwin. Oy! May nag-necklace naman dito.
For her birthday.
Be! Nag-necklace naman si Jenny, be. Let me see.
I want to see the big one.
Jenny, let me see.
Why do you have that one? Why?
Yan yung regalo ng kanilang lula. Last time, di ba, nag-ano sila nito, nag-unbox. Yan yung regalo ng lula nila, yung stepmom ni Wayne.
Look. Oh.
Gustong-gusto nila yung ganyan.
That was the other one.
Oh, Big, show me your ring.
Axolotl.
You have axolotl?
Yeah.
Oh.
Of course I do.
Agoy, naka-ring pag yun si Inday. Oy!
I got the real one.
Yeah? Tignan niyo si Jenny, walang ilis-ilis, no? Blue. Ganyan siya. Pag meron siyang paborito, pag ayaw niya sa isang damit, ayaw niya din.
Grass.
Oh!
Grass.
Earrings, dayon!
Green grass.
Green
blue
grass,
sky.
blue sky. JJ. Apat-hapate. Pagpasensyaan nyo yung jacket ni Wayne, ha? Kaya dyan lang nilagay. Pinakain ko na liyan sila ng umagahan. Ayan, hindi natapos yung kanilang fruits. Hugasan ko na to dito dahil gustong-gusto ni Wayne na sobrang linis ng ating kusina. Lahat ng mga hugasin, yung isa-isa, dalawa-dalawa, hugasan ko na kaagad para walang madaming hugasin. Yes?
Thing in that in this is this bracelet that has the unicorn on it.
Oh, you like it? Si Jenny, regalo yan ang kanyang lula, pero nag-share siya sa kanyang ate, no? Jenny, share it to you, right? She give you some, pero sabi naman ng kanyang lula na bigyan daw si Jessica dahil worth your jewelry box lang. Pero naman din siya ng jewelry box.
Come. It's like in the glass.
Ah, Daddy put it there?
It's in the glass with
Did you put it there or Daddy?
Daddy.
Ah, Daddy?
It's in the glass where all of Granny's pictures are.
Oh, is it? In the
In the left one.
left one. Did you keep it there? Do you want it there?
Daddy put. Yeah.
Yeah?
So I can reach it now.
Oh, okay. Ngayon, magkuha na kami nito. I-ready ko na itong mga bata ngayon.
I
Hindi.
have unicorn.
Yeah?
Jenny gave me the unicorn.
Did she? Agoy, daghan man na itong kuan. Ang kinain ko, rice lang at yung sinabawan kong isda. Inulit ko lang kagabi. Ang mga bata, nag-ano sila, nagpasta.
And my favorite small ones I love hot.
Oh, do you like that one?
I like this bracelet the most.
Do you?
Because it has this.
Ah, okay.
But this one is too big for me.
Yeah, it's still big. You have to be big so that you can wear that one.
This can fit you.
That can fit mommy.
But if I put it
Jenny,
down,
oh, nagsayaw-sayaw na
but
dito.
if I put it up,
What happened?
it can fit me.
Did you fall? What's wrong? You need to be careful.
She hurt herself.
Jenny, wash the patiti, ha? Akin mo na itong i-prepare.
My two favorite beads is
Yeah? That your favorite? Akyat na kami. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pag-support. I hope you enjoy the video for today. At maraming salamat sa walang sawang Ay, balik.
claw.
Say bye-bye. Thank you. Where's JJ? Bye-bye. Thank you.